Christmas?
We're gonna
Don't celebrate your birthday.
But you will celebrate it with your parents. So, how about your
No, my
cousins?
whole family is here. My whole family is here. My
Mm.
cousins. I'm the oldest. Their names Adi, Aliyah, and Arya. They're already out there. I'm in here.
Oh, okay.
I
So
locked the door so
you guys
bother.
are in one house.
Yes, we're gonna celebrate. They came here also because they came here, my cousins, but Arya stays here. They came here because the baby boy is here. We have a new
Really?
baby boy. Yes, the baby boy's in the hospital with my tita Ruth and tita Alvin.
I see.
I'm so excited for them to come here. I want to see the baby boy.
Are you guys going to have exchanging gifts?
No, we're gonna do it different. We're just gonna get presents, put it in the tree, and then we'll write the names who is it from. Who's it for?
That's
That's what we
nice.
did in last Christmas.
How about the rest?
And I'm excited for my older cousins, their boys, to come to Christmas. But I'm so sad because we're gonna come back at January 3 and my birthday is January 2.
It's okay. Because you're going to celebrate it with your cousins and friends.
My friends are not gonna be there, only my cousin. But I'm gonna give loot bags to John and Ryle.
Only John and Ryle?
Because I don't know other people. My mom don't know my classmates' moms.
Oh, I see that.
And Micah's house is far. Micah's house is far. My mommy knows Micah's mom, but it's very far from our house.
We'll give to Diana because Diana can chat with your mom.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go over. So today, we're going to review the ordering of operations. Last time we learned about this one, right? Let's see if you can still remember what you have learned in ordering operations. So, as what we all know, ordering operations includes the following: solving the given problem by steps by its order operation. So you have here example given 5 plus 4 minus 2. So you first add and then you subtract.
That's only 7.
2. That gives you 7, right? This time, let's practice more. So as what you can see here, another example, 8 minus 5 plus 2 equals, you subtract 8 minus 5 first, and then you add 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So addition and subtraction are operations at the same time, same level. Computation is done in sequence starting from the left to the right. So it depends on which operation appears first, either addition or subtraction. Now this time we are going to solve another problem. And we are gonna play. No, not quizzes.
Quizzes.
No quizzes for now.
Quizzes.
But this time we're going to solve the problem. Okay. All right, are you all ready?
Are we gonna use a what?
You're going to use whiteboard. If you don't have whiteboard, please use your chat box.
Okay, I need to get a thing.
Teacher, is it like this? Like
what, teacher?
you add it, then you get away it.
What, teacher?
Whiteboard.
Doing the same thing that we did.
Get the whiteboard and then you solve the given problem.
Okay. Teacher.
Yes.
Are we going to do numbers 1 to like 5?
Yes, more than 5.
My board can't really fit that if it's 10.
Oh, it's okay. Yes, you can use the chat box if you want. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
All right, number 1. Number 1, you have
Yeah. What?
okay, you can now start answering. Please show your solution, not like you just have to answer it directly.
I know how to do this because I've obsessed it before.
Teacher,
Yes.
is it like this? You get away it and then you add it.
Mm-hmm.
I know how.
You start with
Get away
the
it
first.
and
You start with the first operation first, and then the second one. For example,
I will put an equal also.
Oh, your solution.
okay, example you have here. I'm gonna show you an example. So example, you have 7 minus 2 plus 3. So 7 minus 2 equals, how much is it? 7 minus 2 equals
5.
5. And then you have 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 is the answer.
Oh, now I get the teacher.
So easy, right?
Yes, teacher.
Daddy, get out.
Okay, are you all done?
Yeah. I'm gonna send it in the chat box. I did not send it in the chat box yet.
Okay.
No. They also said yeah. I'm done. Teacher, we're all done.
Okay, if you are done, then let's answer it now.
I'm already done with all the answers. I'm done with until 5.
All right, so who wants to answer number 1?
Me. I'm going to answer number 3.
Hmm? Who wants to answer number 1? Okay, let's have number 1. Zach will answer number 1. Number 2?
9
Who wants to answer number 2?
8.
Okay, Seth for number 2. Number 3?
Me.
John, number 3. Number 4? Who wants to answer number 4? Eliza. Eliza, number 4. Number 5 will be?
Me.
Aldez. Okay, so let's have number 1 first. Okay, Zach, number 1. Can you please tell us what's your answer?
6. 13.
Okay, so How did you solve it? 9
equals 7. 7 equals 13.
13. Okay, who got the correct answer here? Raise your hand.
Me.
Good job. So the answer is 13. Number 2, Sean.
I'm number 3, teacher.
Where's number 2?
Me.
Oh, Seth. Okay, Seth, can you please solve it to us?
8 plus 10 minus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 10 first. 8 plus 10 equals 18. No. 18.
18
minus 6 is 10.
18 minus 3. And then?
15. 7
15. Okay, who got the correct answer? 15 for number 2.
Equals 10.
Okay, good job. Next, number 3, Sean.
Okay, 7 plus 6 equals 16. I mean 7 plus 9 equals 16, and 16 minus 6 equals 10.
All right.
So the answer is 10.
Okay, who got 10?
Me. Vote for me, everybody. Me.
Good work. Next, number 4.
Me.
Eliza. Eliza.
0 plus 5, that's 5.
Okay, so 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 plus 5. The answer is 5. Okay, who got 5?
Me.
Don't hit me. No, you're so easy.
Okay, good job. Next, number 5. Number 5. Who's number 5?
10 plus 5 equals to 15. 15 minus 6 is 9.
Okay, 9. Right, so the answer is 9. Who got 9?
Me.
Wow, very good. How about Andre? Andre, are you done? Micah, are you done?
I'm done.
Abigail.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
I'm going to put like a circle and 100. And I'm going to put like a line and 100.
All right. So it seems like everyone answered it correctly. Now let's have another set of problem.
No.
Can I erase it now? Okay, next. Number 6.
You cannot answer it. Papa and Mama will not love you.
Why? Number 6? Number 6? Number
For number 6, you have...
Oh no! A blue screen attack here. Get away! Get away! Get away! Say get away!
Get away.
Get away! I say get away! Get away! You! This place is for Kahoots. Get away! I said get away! No! Get away!
Is that you?
That's in the Lost Kingdom.
Okay, you have now the answer.
10 plus 10.
Start solving, please.
Math. Okay. Teacher Diana, what is that number beside 6 in number 10?
Oh, that's 3.
Oh.
Let me erase that. Okay, so this time I'm gonna call students to answer. Number 6 will be Alessandra. Number 7 is Rizel. Number 8, Andre. Number 9, Adrian. Number 10, Johan.
9.
Are you all finished?
Not yet. Not yet.
Yes. Yes. I'm done. I can check box.
Also done. I'm done, teacher.
I'm done. I'm done.
My gosh.
I'm done.
Your Kahoot.
All right, if you are done, let's answer. Number 1. Who was number 1? Okay, number 1. Who was assigned to answer number 1? Alessandra. Okay, Alessandra, what's your answer for number 1?
So 10 plus 10
equals
20. Minus 8
minus 8
equals 12.
equals 12. Right. This one is checked. Next, how about number 7?
I forgot.
Who is assigned to answer number 7?
Yeah.
Adrian? Adrian?
9 plus 3.
7 plus 3. This is not 9. 7 plus 3 equals?
equals 10.
7 plus 3 equals 10.
Minus 8.
Minus 8
So what's the answer, Adrian?
Equals 4.
2. Okay.
Yep.
Number 8.
Answers to
Who's assigned for number 8? Number 8, Rizel.
I got the same answer, teacher.
Okay, number 8, Rizel.
3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 4
Equals 6. Okay, good job. Number 9. Number 9, Andre. Okay, Andre, number 9 you have
9 plus 8.
9 plus 8 equals
17.
17.
Louder your voice.
17.
Minus 7.
17 minus 7 equals 0.
Oh,
No.
17 minus 7 equals 0.
No.
17 minus 7 equals...
Equals 10.
Andre, what's the answer? Oy, are you Andre?
What's your answer? You give your answer.
10. Wait, I thought it was 8.
It's 10. Okay, next, number 10. Johan. Last one.
Answer na to.
Your mic. Don't delete it yet. Huwag pa ka-game na.
6 plus 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Look at teacher.
Plus 7 equals 10.
Okay, good job. All right. Did you all got the correct answer?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, good work.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
So,
teacher.